Hello universe, hello Botswana. My name is Lorato Mmipi, a 21-year-old esthetician and an aspiring entrepreneur representing Gabane village. From a very young age, I've always been a kid that always felt compelled to lay a helping hand. Whenever I saw even a glimpse of struggle in others, even though at that time I didn't have much to give, I always knew that even the tiniest bit of kindness can always go a long way in making a lasting impact. So as I grew older, I realized that this wasn't just a personality trait, it was more than that. It was actually my God given purpose. So this purpose inspired me to establish the Lorato Mmipi Foundation, which is a charitable initiative that mainly focuses on philanthropy work, leadership empowerment, as well as mental health awareness advocacy. What I would love the judges and the people of Botswana to remember me by is that I lead with purpose. I choose to be intentional when serving my people while being on the journey of making an impact and changing the world, while ensuring that I do that with utmost integrity and humility. As Miss Universe Botswana 2027, I will use my voice to triumph mental health awareness, bridge the gap between the underprivileged and basic needs, as well as inspire and empower young people like me to become leaders of their own communities so that we ensure that the chain of making an impact in the community continues to flourish. What makes my story unique is that my story didn't begin with a crown. My story began with a heart that cared for people, a heart that felt for people, and a heart that saw a problem in my community that needed change.